Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, sMeUddish. Today we are back with another experiment named Master of Color Modulation. The experiment materials we need are 3 measuring cups, 3 pigment colors, yellow, red and blue. Raya, you hold the color, okay? When I ask you, give me the color, okay? 3 dropper, glass rod, 4 test tube and test tube rack, and water. Now I'm going to start the experiment. First, I have to pour in these 3 cups 40 ml of water. Now I'm going to add 10 drops of the pigment in each cup and stir it with the glass rod. Okay, Rhea, can you help me to stir it? Yes. First, you have to slowly stir it, okay? Slowly. Yes. Use the other hand. Okay, stir it. Yes. Oh, close it, Rhea. I said this time you close it. Rhea, can you help me to open the test tube cap? The third step is take a dropper to draw respectively 3 ml red water and yellow water into a test tube and stir it will turn orange. Okay, now I'm going to put the 3 dropper inside each cup. Thanks, Rhea, for helping me to open it. Now, in 1 cup, I'm going to add red and yellow. 3 ml. Put it inside here. Now yellow. Yeah, it's slowly turning to orange. Ta-da-da! It turned to orange. Step 4. Draw respectively 3 ml blue water and yellow water into a test tube and stir it. It will turn green. Oh, Rhea, you can help me to stir it nice slowly. What color is that? Blue water and yellow water. Now blue water and yellow water. have to help me to stir it. It's small, but let's slowly, okay? Let you shake it. Oh yeah, it's true. Yeah, I like the green. Just turn it down. Where is here? Better steer me. Let's steer. Okay, Rhea. Now you steer it this area. I will hold it in your hand. Hey. Two. Slowly, Rhea. Okay. See, it's green. Now, step 5. Draw respectively 3 ml red, blue and yellow water into a test tube and stir it. It will turn black. Wow! It will turn black, friends. All the color. Let's see whether this is true. Don't think so. It will turn black. Oh yeah, blue and red also already turned to dark blue. It's dark blue now. Oh, it's green now. Okay, they are steering properly. Black. Hey, this one now. No, properly again. Don't take it out slowly. Doesn't look like a green. Properly, I can see it little bit changing blue properly. This is not working, friends. Let me add more. Let me see again. This is my last try. Yeah. Wait, this one hold. So cannot see what color is there. Oh wow, black it is. And little bit yellow. Okay friends, this is the end of the experiment. Now let's look at the scientific principles. Scientific principles. Red, yellow and blue are the 3 primary colors of pigment. They can theoretically be matched with any other colors. Can you bring up more colors? Bye friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. What there? Okay, let's see. Let me see whether it get what color now. Oh, it's still the orange. That means I can have more red. Let me see blue. Whether what color it make. Oh, the same. That means I can repeat any color or whatever I want. Now, right here. Hey, what do you mean? Oh, it's going to be black this one also. This one blackity. Let me add blue in there and see what color it be. Oh, like green.